Hi dear students, welcome back to Abhijit Maths. In this video, we are studying the Mathematics Part 2 Standard 10th. The topic is Practice Set 5.2 from question number 1 to question number 6. Then do like, share and subscribe Abhijit Maths. Your one subscription and one like boost us to make more videos. Then do like, share and subscribe Abhijit Maths and stay connected with us. Now coming to the problem, question number 1. Find the coordinate of the point P. If P divide the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 2:3. Let us suppose a line which have endpoints A and B like this. This A is a one endpoint and B is a another endpoint. A having coordinate -1, 7. B having given coordinate is 4, -3. Consider a point P. Now P is anywhere here. Because of P, the line AB is divided into two parts in the ratio 2:3. Now here we have to apply the section formula which we have discussed earlier. Now here this is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Let us consider P have coordinates x, y. We have to find the coordinate of this P, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. Now this is the ratio, that is 2:3. This is m and this is n. In the section formula, we know the section formula. By using the section formula, we have to solve this problem. Here x1 equals to this -1, y1, the value of y1 is this 7, x2 is equals to this 4, y2 equals to this -3, the value of m is equals to 2 and the value of 3, that is m/n, n equals to 3. We know the section formula. By using that section formula, we have to find the coordinate of this P, means the value of x and value of y. Now here the x coordinate can be calculated by the section formula, that is m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. By putting the values, the value of m is here 2 put here, the value of x2 is 4, put 4 here, plus the value of n is 3, put 3 here, and the value of x1 is -1 here, divided by m plus n, the value of m, that is 2 plus this 3. Now it will be 4 into 2, that is 8, plus 3 into -1, that is -3, divided by 2 plus 3, that is 5, that is 8 plus -3, that is 8 minus 3 divided by 5, means 8 minus 3, that is 5, divided by 5, that is equals to 1. We get the value of x equals to 1. Similarly, we can find the value of y by the section formula. Y equals to ny2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. By putting these values, we can easily calculate the value of y. Now here the value of m, that is 2, put 2 instead of m. The value of y2, that is -3, put -3 instead of this y2, plus as it is the value of n is here 3, put 3 here, y1 is here 7, put 7 here, divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. Now that will be 2 into -3, that is -6, plus 3 into 7, that is 21 divided by 5, that will be equals to -6 plus 21, that is 15 divided by 5, and this will be cancelled 3 times and we get 3 here, that is the value of y equals to 3. We get the value of x, that is x equals to 1, and the value of y, that is y equals to 3. Therefore P having coordinate x, y can be given as P, the value of x we get is here 1, and value of y, that is 3. Next question, question number 2. In each of the following examples, find the coordinate of the point A which divide the segment PQ in the ratio A as to B. Question 1. The point P having coordinate -3, 7 Q having coordinate 1 comma minus 4, and the ratio is given, that is A as to B. We know the section formula, that is x equals to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n, and another formula that is for y, that is m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. But here the given ratio is A as to B, therefore we have to replace this m by this A and this n by B. But another way we can consider it as, the given segment is PQ, so consider segment PQ. Now point A which divides the PQ, means this PQ is divided by this point A, means point A is anywhere on this PQ, suppose here, and which the point A divides PQ in the ratio A as to B, means suppose that is PA by AQ equals to A as to B, means the ratio, that is A and B, is replaced by M and N. By replacing, we get X will be equals to, that A is replaced, that M is replaced by A, that is A x2, plus this N is replaced by this B, therefore B x1 divided by A plus B, and this next the formula for Y will be A y2, means this M is replaced by A y2 plus N is replaced by B y1 divided by this A plus B. By putting the values of this, we can easily find the value of this X and this Y. In the given problem, P having coordinate minus 3 comma 7, Q having coordinate 1 comma minus 4, and here A as to B equals to 2 as to 1. Therefore the value of x1 will be equals to this minus of 3, y1 will be equals to this 7, x2 is equals to this 1, and y2 will be equals to this minus 4. The value of A is 2, A equals to 2, and the value of B is equals to 1. Now formula is being changed, that is M and N is replaced by this A and B. Now the new formula, that is section formula, that is X will be equals to A into x2 plus B into x1 divided by A plus B. Now this will be equals to, the value of A is here 2, put 2 instead of A, the value of x2 is 1 plus the value of B is here, the value of B is 1, put 1 instead of this, and the value of x1, that is minus of 3, put minus 3 here, divided by A plus B, means that is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Now this will be 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into minus 3, that is minus of 3, divided by 2 plus 1, that is 1, that will be equals to, 2 plus 1, that is 3, and that will be equals to 2 plus minus of 3, that will be minus of 1 divided by 3. Here the value of x we get is here minus 1 by 3. Similarly, we can easily find the value of y by using the formula. Y will be equals to A y2 plus B y1 divided by A plus B. Now by putting this value, the value of A, that is 2, plus the value of y2, that is here minus of 4, plus the value of B, that is 1, into the value of y1, that is 7, divided by A plus B, that is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 will be equals to 2 into minus 4, that is minus of 8, plus 1 into 7, that is plus of 7, divided by this 3 will be equals to minus 8 plus 1, that is minus of 1 plus 3. That will be y. The value of y we get here is minus 1 by 3. The value of x is also minus 1 by 3, and the value of y is also minus 1 by 3. Subscribe Abhijit Sara Math. Now in the solution part, the point P, that is P having coordinate minus 2 comma minus 5, Q having coordinate 4 comma 3, and The ratio A has to B is the value of A is equals to 3 and the value of B is equals to 4. Now this point A, divide this segment PQ in the ratio A has to B, means we have to find the coordinate of A, that is x coordinate of A and y coordinate of this point A. Now by section formula, that is x will be equals to A x2 plus B x1 divided by A plus B. Now by putting these values of this A, x2, B, x1, A and B. Now the value of A, that is here 3, put here 3 into x2. The value of x2, that is here x1, y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. The value of x2 is here 4, put 4 instead of x2 plus the value of B is here 4, put 4 instead of B. The value of x1, that is here x1 is minus 2, put minus 2 instead of this x1 divided by this A plus B, that is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equals to, that is 3 into 4, that is 12 plus 4 into minus 2, that is minus of 8 divided by 3 plus 4, that is 7, will be equals to 12 plus minus minus 8, that is 4 divided by 7, plus minus minus 12 minus 8, that is 4 divided by 7. We get the value of x is equals to, now this 4 by 7, the value of y can be calculated as by the same formula by putting y2 and y1, that is a y2 plus b y1 divided by a plus b. Now by putting these values, we get the value of a is here 3, put 3 instead of this. The value of y2, that is y2 is here and put 3 instead of this y2, that is 3, plus the value of b is 4, put 4 instead of b, and the value of y1 is here minus of 5, put minus of 5 here divided by, that is 3 plus 4. Now on solving this, equals to 3 into 3, that is plus, that is 9, plus 4 into minus 5, that is minus of 20 divided by 3 plus 4, that is 7, equals to, that is and 9 plus minus minus 20 divided by 7, that is minus 11 by 7. We get the value of y, that is minus 11 by 7. The point A, which is dividing the segment PQ in the ratio 3:4. Therefore the x coordinate is, now that is 4 by 7 and we get the y coordinate, that is minus 11 by 7. Now the third sub question of question number 2. Write down the question as it is. Now the value of x1 is here 2, y1 equals to this 6, x2 equals to this minus of 4 and the value of y2 is here 1. The value of a is here 1 and the value of b is 2. Now find the value of x coordinate of point. Now we have to find the x coordinate of A and y coordinate of that point A. Now to find the x coordinate, we have x will be equals to ax2 plus bx1 divided by a plus b. Now by putting these values, the value of a is here 1 into the value of x2 is here minus of 4 plus, as it is the value of b, that is here 2, put b instead of this, put 2 instead of this b. The value of x1 is here 2 divided by this a plus b, means 1 plus 2, that will be equals to 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4, plus 2 into 2, that is 4 divided by 3, that will be equals to minus 4 plus 4, that is 0 divided by 3, that equals to 0. We get the value of x equals to 0. Now we have to find the value of y, that will be equals to a y2 plus b y1 divided by a plus b. Now by putting respective values, that will be equals to the value of a, that is 1, instead of this a, the value of y2 is also 1, plus the value of b, that is 2, put y1, Now here y1 is equals to 6. Put 6 here divided by a plus b, that is 1 plus 2. That will be equals to 1 into 1, that is 1, plus 2 into 6, that is 12, divided by 1 plus 2, that is 3. That will be equals to 1 plus 12, that is 13 divided by 3. Now this is, we get the y coordinate, that is y will be equals to 13 by 3. Now this point A divides segment PQ in the ratio A has to B will have coordinate, that is x comma y will be equivalent to A. We get x coordinate, that is 0, and we get y coordinate, that is 13 by 3. Now do like, share and subscribe. Abhijit Sana Maths. Now coming to question number 3. Question number 3 is find the ratio in which the point T, that is -1, 6, divides the line segment joining the point, that is P and Q. PQ is a segment having P having coordinate -3, 10, and Q having coordinate 6, -8. Then T is the point which is dividing this segment PQ in the ratio. Now consider, then we have to find the ratio. That means we have to find M as to N equals to question mark. Now here consider a segment, line segment, that is PQ. PQ is a line segment. P having coordinate, that is -3, 10, and this Q having coordinate is 0.6, -8 are the coordinates of Q. Now point T is anywhere on PQ. Let us suppose point T is here. It has coordinates -1, 6. Let us consider this x1, this as a y1, the point Q coordinate as a x2, y2, and this as a x, y. The ratio, that is pt, is equals to m, and the ratio, that is tq, that is equals to n. Then we have to find the ratio, that is m as to n equals to, here the value of x1, that is x1 equals to this -3, the value of y1, that is y1 equals to 10, the value of coordinate of q, that is x2 equals to this 6, the value of y2, that is equals to this -8. Now the coordinate of point T are x and y, therefore x equals to this -1, the coordinate of y, that is y equals to 6. Now we have to find the ratio, that is m as to n, therefore m equals to question mark and n equals to question mark. Now we know the section formula, that is x equals to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Now put the respective values of this. Now the value of x, we get here x equals to -1, put -1 instead of this x. We don't know the value of m, that is question mark, therefore put m as it is. The value of x2, that is x2 equals to 6, in bracket put 6, plus we have to find the value of n, therefore put n also as it is. The value of x1, that is -3, put here -3, divided by m plus n, that is we don't know the value of m and n, therefore m plus n as it is. Now by cross multiplying -1 into m plus n, that will be equals to 6 into m, 6m plus n into -3, that is -3n. Now on solving this, that will be -1 into m, that is -m. Now -1 into n, that will be minus of n, that equals to 6m as it is. Now plus minus of height of n. Now here 6m equals to, as it is 6m, we are keeping on the right side. Now this minus m is shifting to right hand side. Now it will be plus of m. Now minus n as it is. Now minus 3n is shifting to left hand side. It will become plus of 3n. Now 3n minus n, that is a twice of n, equals to 6m plus m, that is equals to 7 of n. By interchanging the side, this 7m will be equals to twice of n, twice of n. Now this m divided by n will be equals to this 2 divided by 7. Therefore the ratio, that is m as to n, equals to 2 as to 7. Now next question, question number 4, that is point P is the center of the circle and AB is a diameter. Find the coordinate of point B if the coordinate of point A and P are 2, minus 3 and minus 2, 0 respectively. It means that point A has 2, minus 3 coordinate and point P has minus 2, 0. Now this P is the center of the circle. Now let us draw a circle which have point P as a center. Now this consider AB as a diameter. Therefore AB is a diameter, given that AB is a diameter. Now find the coordinate of point B, means we have to find this coordinate of this point B, that is x comma y. Now let us consider that this point A has a coordinate this 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3 are the coordinate of point A and minus 2 comma 0 are the coordinate of point P, minus 2 comma 0 are the coordinate of point P. Now we have to find the coordinate of this point B. Now here let us consider that A has a coordinate. Now this is 2 comma minus 3. Now this is x1 comma this is y1. Now consider this point B has coordinate x2 comma y2. Now consider this point P has a coordinate x comma y. Now P is the center of the circle and AB is a diameter. It means that AP and PB are the radius of this circle. Therefore AP equals to PB. Means therefore the point P is the midpoint of this diameter AB. Means point P is midpoint of AB. Now consider the values of this x1, x2, y1, y2. Here we get the value of x1 as 2. Therefore x1 equals to 2, comma y1 equals to minus of 3. The value of this x2 and y2 we have to calculate. Then therefore x2 equals to question mark, comma y2 also equals to a question mark. The value of x, that is x equals to this minus of 2, comma the value of y equals to now this 0. Now by using the midpoint formula we can easily find the value of this x2 and y2. Therefore by midpoint formula, if x1, x2 are the points, then midpoint formula will be x will be equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. The value of x is here, x equals to minus 2. Put minus 2 instead of this x equals to, as it is, the value of x1. The value of x1 is a 2 plus, as it is, the value of x2. The value of x2 is a question mark. Therefore put x2 as it is divided by this 2. Now this 2 into minus 2, that is minus of 4, will be equals to this 2 plus x2. Now this minus 4 as it is plus 2 shifted to left hand side, it will be minus of 2 and this will be x2. Now this minus 4 minus 2 minus of 6 will be x2. We get the value of x2 equals to minus 6. We get the value of x2 equals to minus of 6. We are writing here. Now in the similar manner, by replacing x by y and x1 by y1 and x2 by y2, we get the formula, that is midpoint formula for point y, that is y equals to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now this will be solved. Of y, that is y equals to 0, put 0 instead of this y. y1 equals to this y1 equals to minus of 3 plus the value of y2, that is y2 equals to question mark. Therefore put y2 as it is divided by 2. Now this 0 into 2, 0. This will be equals to minus 3 as it is plus y2 as it is. Now this minus 3 will be shifted to left hand side and will become plus of 3. This is the value of y2. By interchanging side we will get y2 equals to 3. We get x2 equals to minus 6 earlier. Therefore x2 equals to minus 6 and the value of y2, that is y2 equals to 3. These are the coordinate of point B. This x2 equals to this minus 6 and this coordinate y2 is equals to 3. Do like, share and subscribe Abhijit Maths to get more videos. Question number 5, that is find the ratio in which point P, k, 7 coordinates of point B divide the segment joining AB, that is A has coordinate A 8, 9 and B have coordinate 1, 2. Also find k. We have to find the value of this k and the ratio in which this point P is dividing the segment AB. Now let us consider a segment AB. Now this is A and this is B. A has given coordinates that is 8, 9, and B has given coordinate that is 1, 2. Let us consider a point P which is dividing the segment AB, means this point P is anywhere on AB. Therefore let us consider that this point P is here. Therefore point P with coordinate K, 7, which x coordinate is K and y coordinate is given. We have to find out this K. Now consider that point P is dividing segment AB in the ratio m as to n. Therefore we have to find this ratio, means we have to find the value of m as to n. Therefore m as to n equals to question mark, or m by n equals to question mark. We have and we have to also find the value of this K. Therefore K equals to question mark. Then how we can solve this question? Now let us consider this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. Now this x, y are the coordinates of this point P. Now by section formula, this x and y can be calculated. The values of this y are given. Therefore we have to we will first find the ratio, then we will find the value of K. Now by section formula for y equals to ny2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Now this the value of y. The value of y is here. The value of y is here 7. 7 is the value of y. Put 7 instead of this y. The value of m we don't know. Therefore put m as it is. The value of y2. The value of y2 is here y2. The value of y2 is 2. Put 2 instead of this y2 plus n as it is. We have to find it out. y1. The value of y1 is 9 here. Divided by, we don't know the value of m and n. Therefore m plus n as it is. Now this, now on multiplying 7 into m plus n will be equals to twice of m plus 9 n. Now this 7 into m, 7m plus 7 into n, 7n equals to this 2m plus 9n. Now this 7m as it is minus 2m as it is equals to this 9n as it is minus 7n. Now this 7m minus 2m, that is 5m, equals to 9n minus 7n, that is 2n. Therefore m by n will be equals to 2 by 5. So we get m by n equals to 2 by 5. Then we can write it as m as to n equals to 2 by 5, means in the ratio 2 as to 5. This point P is dividing segment AB in the ratio 2 as to 5. Now we have to find the value of K. Then we get the ratio that is m as to n equals to 2 as to 5. It means the value of m equals to 2 and the value of n equals to 5. Now by section formula for x coordinate, that is x equals to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Now the value of x, that is x is here. Now the value of x, that is x equals to now this k. Therefore put k instead of this x equals to the value of m, that is m equals to 2 instead of put 2 instead of this m. The value of x2 is here 1. Put 1 instead of this x2 plus the value of n is 5 and the value of x1 is here 8 divided by this m plus n, that is 2 plus 5. Now on solving, k will be equals to 2 into 1 2 plus 5 into 8 40 divided by this 5 2 plus 5 7, that is k will be equals to 2 plus 42, that is 42 divided by 7, that is 7 1 6 times. Therefore the value of k we get is here 6. K equals to 6 and the ratio, that is m equals to 2 and n equals to 5. In this way we have solved this problem. Do like, share and subscribe. Abhijit Maths. Now the question number 6, that is find the coordinate of the midpoint of segment joining the points 22, 20 and 0, 16. Now in the solution part, let us consider this point A as A. It has coordinate 22, 20 and the point B has coordinates 0, 16. Therefore, the segment will be this AB segment. Segment is AB. Now, we have to find the coordinate of the midpoint. Let us suppose that here is the point P, which is dividing the segment AB into two equal parts. Therefore, AP and PB are equal. AP equals to PB because P is the midpoint. Therefore, let us consider this as a 22, 20 are the coordinate of A, 0, 16 are the coordinate of B, and let us consider the coordinate of this P are x, y. Now this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. Now we have to find the value of this x, and point P is the midpoint of this segment AB. Therefore, by the midpoint formula, now first assign the value, that is x1 equals to this 22, y1 equals to 20, x2 equals to this 0, and y1 equals to y2 equals to 16. Now we have to find the value of this x and y. Therefore, x equals to question mark, y equals to also a question mark. Now, by the midpoint formula, we can easily find the value of this x and the value of this y. Therefore, x will be equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Now this will be equals to the value of x we have to calculate. The x1 is equals to 22 plus the value of x2, that is 0 divided by 2, that is 22 divided by 2 equals to 11. We get the value of x equals to 11. Similarly, we can find the value of y. Therefore, y will be equals to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Therefore, equals to the value of y1, that is 20, plus the y2 is a 16 divided by 2 equals to, that is a 36 divided by 2 equals to 18. Therefore, the value of y, the value of x equals 7. Therefore, x equals 11, y equals to 18. Therefore, this point P has coordinate 11, 18. This P is the midpoint of this segment AB. Then do like, share and subscribe Abhijit Sana Math to get more videos, and stay connected with Abhijit Sana Maths.